We're here with the Maestro RV, which is now available in combination with the MiniDrill. The MiniDrill, known for use in combination with many of our other model seed drills, has a 400 litre capacity and is used mainly for small seeds or micro granular. The MiniDrill is easy and quick to fill via a central lid. On the Maestro RV, the MiniDrill is connected to a distribution tower, most of the time used to apply micro granular. The micro granular can be applied direct in the seed furrow with the seed. This is mainly for trace elements or pesticides. It is also possible to apply slug pellets or other seed via a splash plate at the rear of the row unit, for example, to establish a cover crop. Adding the MiniDrill to our Maestro RV or RX gives us more flexibility in combination with the front-mounted partner hopper. We can use the partner for fertiliser, even 2 different types of fertiliser, and now we can also apply a micro granular or a third product using the MiniDrill. It also allows us, when seeding canola or beet, where no in-furrow fertiliser is required, to apply with the MiniDrill in the seed furrow or via the splash plates behind the row units.